Hello and welcome to the Rural Hustle. Today we are going to talk about digital planners, how to make them and where to sell them. What are digital planners? Imagine a to-do list, but aesthetic. People download these, print them, ignore them for 3 weeks, then buy another one. It's the circle of life. But here's the thing. They sell like crazy. Apparently adulting is hard, and people will pay $8 to pretend they'll finally meal prep. Your job: design them once, sell them forever, and resist the urge to mock customers who buy your procrastinator's productivity planner. So let's hunt for planner niches like it's a Black Friday sale. Except instead of trampling people for a TV, we're using AI to steal ideas ethically. Open ChatGPT and type this: "Give me 10 planner ideas for ADHD entrepreneurs who forget deadlines." Pro tip: if the results suck, add "make these hyper-specific." AIs are like a genie. You gotta word your wish just right. Why this works? Passive income means money while you're busy doing literally anything else. Napping, arguing on Reddit, or pretending to meditate. And if you're disabled, chronically tired, or just hate people, perfect. Your biggest interaction is checking your PayPal. The dream? So anyway, ChatGPT won't design for you, but it will brainstorm ridiculous niches when you're stuck. Ask it, "Give me 10 planner ideas for serial hobby starters that need another fix." Need product descriptions? Tell ChatGPT, "Sell this planner like it's a luxury spa day, but for my bank account." To start, pick a niche. Try anxiety-induced grocery list for overthinkers. Step 2. Hop over to Canva. Drag, drop, pretend you're a designer. Step 3. Etsy listing. Use AI to write something convincing like, "This planner might fix your life. Results not guaranteed." Scaling. Once you've got one, make 5 more. Bundle them like a midlife crisis planner pack. Algorithm likes consistency. But let's be real. You're here for the money, not Etsy's approval. So, if you're ready to monetize society's desperate need for organization, or at least the illusion of it, smash like, subscribe to the Rural Hustle, and tell me in the comments, what's the most ridiculous planner idea you can think of? Cry in the shower is already taken.